God has preserved our lives and kept our feet from slipping. Psalm 66 verses 9. Hello beautiful family, warmest welcome back again to the Lovystouch channel. Thank you so much for coming back. So family, today I'm here to share with you how I am able to preserve my waakye leaves and banana leaves that I have been using recently in all my recipes. I have gotten lots and lots of questions concerning that, so please stay tuned for all the tips that you need. Let's get started. So my sister just got back from her dirty December experience in Ghana, and I was like, you've brought yourself. I was asked what I would need from Ghana, and these were my simple requests, and my brother Israel also made sure I got them here. Even though it is the dry season in Ghana, he really tried to get me these. I am so thankful, so thankful. Israel, thank you so much. Such a big fan of this channel. He is so popular in the comment section all the time. Thank you so much. The thing about these leaves are they turn to dry out once they are exposed to air. That is the reason why you see lots of them has changed their color from this lovely green color to the brown one. Okay, so all that I'm doing is to separate the greenish one and just throw away the ones that had changed color, because we don't obviously need them. Okay, and I'll do the same with the banana leaves as well. Once I'm done separating them, I'll go ahead and then wash the leaves thoroughly with some vinegar and normal tap water. Okay, the water should be cold. All right. I could not find the video where I was spraying the vinegar on top of the leaves, but please be sure to sprinkle a little bit of the vinegar, just so that if there is any bacteria or germs around it, it is going to totally remove that. Okay, there are leaves that are quite green in the inner part. You just go ahead and trim the edges that are dried out and just keep it. Just don't throw everything away. Okay, so once the good leaves have been separated from the bad, washed and trimmed, all that you have to do this time is to just wipe it off, wipe it dry with your paper towel or any clean cloth that you have, and you're good to go. Okay, so yes, right now all that I need to do is to wrap them up in my parchment paper. In Ghana you might also use newspaper, because it helps keep them moist inside so that it just don't dry out. You can double the parchment paper or even triple it if the need be. Okay, so as demonstrated on your screen, that is exactly how I roll them. So this is exactly how you want to wrap your leaves. Do the same with your banana leaves or any type of edible leaves that you have. Okay, these eco-friendly leaves are just so good to have at home. There are lots of recipes that you cannot just make or do away with this. It is just so good and healthy to have it at home as well. So please again, reduce the request of the Kobe and Momone. Sometimes just request these leaves and it will make you also feel at home. I have shared lots of recipes using these leaves, and I'll link everything down below in the description box. All right, and of course, since I have more, there are lots and lots of more recipes loading. Okay, so be ready for it. So once everything has been wrapped, all that you do is to go ahead and freeze these beautiful leaves. These can be in the freezer for more than a year. Fam, I have saved more than a year. This is what she brought from me last year, and I still have them in pretty much good shape. You see that they are super green. Even though they are frozen, they still look okay. To use them, you just open it, take the ones that you need, and put the remaining ones back in your freezer. And all that you have to do, because it's frozen, you just run them under lukewarm water, spray a little bit of vinegar on top if the need be, and that is all. Trim the edges that are looking very dry and you are good to go. Google these prices on the internet and you find out that they are pretty much ridiculous. If you can save it out and sell it to your fellow Ghanaians who need this can also be actually a business plan for you living here in the diaspora. Okay, there you have it, family. Thank you so much for watching right to the end. I hope this video was helpful and you taking something out of it. That is my main goal. Okay, and if this is your first time or the first time ever seeing this channel, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos like these, so please be sure to come on board, subscribe and join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful and so precious just the way you are. See you in my next one.